Meanwhile, the pandemic is wreaking havoc in Russia. The health sector has been virtually brought to its knees and officials are struggling to contain the sporadic outbreaks of the infections. The people are also witnessing some unprecedented losses. Deaths related to COVID-19 are at an all-time high in the country. As the graph on your screen will tell you, Russia has lost nearly about 1,195 lives to the virus in just the last 24 hours. This is a record high that has crossed yesterday's record of 1,189. Now, since late September, Russia has tallied new highs in terms of the death toll due to COVID-19. In the past month, the death rate due to COVID-19 has jumped over 35%. And the worrying part is that local reports indicate that unofficial counting reveals a much higher mortality rate. In the last 24 hours, over 40,000 people have tested positive for the infectious COVID-19 infection. This is the second highest number of cases that have been reported in a span of a day. Russia has also witnessed a steady rise in terms of the overall percentage of cases that have been recorded on a day-to-day basis. And the situation is now putting a lot of pressure on the health sector. A record number of hospitalizations is straining hospitals that are staffed to their limit. Many health officials are also falling prey to the virus. There are many medical centers that are being forced to work with very limited assistance.
В феврале было меньше народу, сейчас больше, значительно больше, и они, мне кажется, тяжелее даже люди идут. Они были полегче. А сейчас вообще кошмар.
Огромная нагрузка ложится на младший и средний медицинский персонал. Эти пациенты, они большая часть кислородозависимые, они тяжело инфекцию переносят. Они очень многие не могут даже самостоятельно себя обслужить.
And as cases continue to rise, more regions are in fact mulling over extending the existing restrictions. This has also sparked some serious tensions amongst residents and businesses. Some restaurants are asking for vaccine certificate or negative COVID reports. Hotels and other public places have also introduced several measures. To reduce the spread of the virus, the Russian President Vladimir Putin has ordered for a nationwide non-working period. This was set from the 30th of October till the 7th of November. The president had even said that regions with dire situation could add more non-working days. Now, Russia's surge in infections and deaths are being attributed to many other factors. Low vaccination rates, negligent public attitudes toward precautions, and the government's reluctance to toughen restrictions. Less than 35% of Russia's nearly 146 people have been fully vaccinated. The inoculation rate still remains low despite Russia being one of the first nations to have approved a vaccine against COVID-19. The domestically developed jab Sputnik V is being used across Russia. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.